Welcome to History's Hiccups, Part 67. Unveil the saga of Imhotep, the genius of ancient Egypt, who lived around 2650-2600 BC. More than just a high priest, architect, and physician, Imhotep was the mastermind behind the Step Pyramid of Djoser, the world's oldest pyramid. This architectural marvel at Saqqara was a revolutionary design, setting the precedent for all future pyramids and marking a monumental leap in ancient engineering. Imhotep's talents didn't end with architecture. He was also one of the first named physicians in history, whose medical knowledge was so advanced, he was later deified as the god of medicine and healing. Imhotep's legacy is a testament to the brilliance of ancient Egyptian civilization, showcasing innovation, wisdom, and a legacy that turned a mortal man into a god.